Get these dishwasher tabs. I swear you'll be so happy with them. To start off with, I prefer the unscented dishwasher tabs, as sometimes the scented ones might still leave a little scent on my dishes at the end, and I don't like that. I don't want my dishes to have any smell from their cleaners when they come out of the dishwasher, so I love that Dropps has an unscented version. But the main reason I love these is that they are very eco-conscious. You have this cardboard box, and then the drops themselves will fully dissolve in your dishwasher. So in the end, all you have left is this cardboard box. Now this is where they really stand out. This company is more than just a house cleaning product company. They stand for a lot more. And these products are tested, manufactured in the USA, and definitely prioritize what matters. And the best part is they really, really work. I feel good about getting these, and I love what they do to my dishes. A total win all around. So if you're watching this, please give these a try.